Indian forces raided the houses of Tehreek-e-Hurriyat leaders in occupied Kashmir. The Indian police raided and searched the house of the jailed Tehreek-e-Hurriyat leader Bashir Ahmad Butt, known as Pir Saifullah, in Zadura area of the Pulwama. The police also raided the house of another Tehreek-e-Hurriyat leader, Muhammad Ashraf Laya, in the Baramulla. Indian troops continued their cordon and search operations in the Udhampur and the Kishtwar districts. The troops continued the search operations on the second consecutive day today in the Jopar and the Martha villages of the Udhampur district. The Indian troops fired several shots last night. Several policemen, including a station house officer, were injured in an attack in the Samba district. A police team was attacked during a raid on a house in the Balol Khar area of the district. The policemen, including the SHO, were injured after they came under an attack during the raid. Government in occupied Kashmir has disclosed that 1,024 forest fires were reported across the territory last year, while 127 incidents have occurred in the during past months of the ongoing year. The figures were revealed in a response to a calling attention notice by the member of the Occupied Kashmir Assembly, M.Y. Tarigami, to the Minister for Ecology and Environment amid the mounting concerns over the growing frequency of the forest fires and their environmental impact. Delhi High Court has refused to grant bail to the senior APHC leader Naeem Ahmad Khan in a fake case registered against him and the other Hurriyat leaders in 2017. A bench of the Justices Naveen Chawla and Shalinder Kaur dismissed the Khan's plea against a trial court order which declined him the reprieve on the December 3, 2022. Senior all-parties Hurriyat Conference leader and the chief of the Muttahida Majlis-e-Ulama Mirwais Umar Farooq has strongly condemned the authorities for preventing an important meeting of the religious forum in occupied Kashmir on the controversial Waqf Amendment Act.